Hello everyone, this is Niranjan from NCAPS Infotech. So today I'm going to show you how to set up our app SalaryGenie. So this is a simple payroll solution for small businesses who calculate and generate payslips using Excel or spreadsheet. So this software is completely free to use and it supports up to 50 employees. And yes, there are ads, but you don't have to pay for the software. So let's just start. Just click the app here. So here you can see this is the main page. We can calculate the payroll. Uh, let's just first set up the things in settings. So here the company name, you can write your company name here and the company address and the phone number and email address. This will be generated in payslips. And the next thing is here default payroll settings. Here you can default it is 26 working days. You can set it to how many number days of working in a company. This is normal 26 days. You can change that settings in payroll setting while generating the payroll, so that's not an issue. Here overtime rate, here we need to add the overtime rate. Let's say I will add 200 rupees. So we need to add the overtime per hour rate here. So we can't change these settings in payroll while generating the slip. So we need to add the settings here only. I'll just save it here. And the next thing is appearance. Here we can enable dark mode and we can change the font size. So I'll just keep it medium. Here you can take a backup of SalaryGenie data. So I'm like employees and salary slips. So if you click export, it will ask to save file. You can click here file manager. It will automatically save to downloads. And if you click on import backup, you can import the backup. That's it. Here help section, it's a watch. If you want to watch a tutorial like a YouTube video, you can click it here and then you can contact us on WhatsApp. And the next we'll go to slips. Here the salary history slips up to 200 slips, it will be saved here. Once the 200 slips has been generated, you need to delete old clips so that it can save the salary slip history. The next thing is employees. Here you can add the employees. You can add up to 50 employees. So I will add Ravi, employee ID 001. Let's just keep sales. His monthly salary 22,000. And the joining date, I'll just give it as this month. Okay. And the phone number, I will just give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Save. That's it. Okay, here you can save up to 50 employees. So yeah, that's it. And let's go to the payroll section here. So once you go here you can manually add the entry, or if you have saved the employees, you click here, it will show the employee name. You just click it here. So here it will automatically generate this sales, employed, everything. Monthly salary also it will automatically generate it. Here working days, let's just say for some months working days is only 25 and we'll keep it 25 here. And how many days he has present, let's say 22, 3 days he has taken leave. Here it will auto calculate and show the amount 19,360. And next overtime hours, how much hours he has extra work. Let's just say he has worked over 12 hours he has worked, and automatically it will show 2,400. The saved the overtime amount which you have saved here in settings, 200 rupees per hour, it will automatically show. So it will automatically calculate the overtime hours into the overtime rate which we have saved earlier. Here we can add bonus, incentive. We just leave it like that. Here we can put deductions like advance. If he has taken advance, we just put 2,000 here, and any load deduction like that. That's it. Once you click generate salary slip, will automatically show this screen. It will show all the things here. You can share on WhatsApp. If you click on share on WhatsApp, it will automatically redirect to the WhatsApp, and you can share it to the employee. Or if you click share, and you can save it to the file manager. Click here, so it will automatically store to the downloads. The PDF will be saved in the downloads. So I will just show you in the downloads folder. So I will just click documents here. So the last generated PDF is here, and here it is, the salary slip, your company name, and the employee name, employee ID, working days, and the basic salary, overtime hours, total hours is showing here, and bonus incentive also it will show here, and deduction as I mentioned before, 2000 rupees advance, and the total net salary will be showed here. You can print this PDF and take employee signature, authorized signature. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.